Salam, Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Roznama Daily News Channel. Compensation of rupees 1 lakh to COVID affected families of Karnataka. The Karnataka government has announced on Monday the compensation of rupees 1 lakh to each BPL card holder families. Those who have lost their lives due to COVID-19, the cash assistance will be limited to one person from one family. The pandemic has claimed the life of earning members of several poor families and have pushed them into extreme financial distress. Keeping this in mind, the Karnataka government had decided to offer them the assistance, CM B.S. Yedurappa told reporters here, claiming that Karnataka would be the first state to offer such a compensation. The CM also said this scheme brings relief to about 30,000 people in the state and it would cost the extinguisher between 250 to 300 crores. According to the Health and Family Welfare Bulletin on Monday, the state has reported 3,033 COVID fatalities so far. Yedurappa has said this compensation is an extension of the rupees 1,600 crore economic relief package announced in two parts so far for workers from unorganized sectors impacted by the curfew and lockdown imposed in the state since April 27. Given our financial situation, we have been able to announce this scheme. This shows our situation is better than most states during the pandemic. Nowhere in the country has such a scheme has been announced. And rupees 5,000 for each tourist guides. Tourism Minister C.P. Yogeshwar on Monday has announced financial aid of rupees 5,000 to each tourist guides who are in distress after losing their livelihood due to COVID-19. The state has 384 registered tourist guides and each of them is likely to get the package next month. Yogeshwar also said that he has proposed to grant an aid of rupees 3,000 to each of the hotel staff or employees. He also said that proposal is being discussed in the financial department and ordered that to effected is shortly. For daily updates, please do subscribe our Roznama Daily News channel for future updates. Stay safe, wear a mask.